How to fix someone disappearing on Snapchat after you unblock them. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix the issue where you unblock someone on Snapchat but they disappear. So this is how you fix the issue. The first step is of course open up your Snapchat. After you open up your Snapchat, you should be on this page right here. And yeah, let's go to the block list first. Tap on your Bitmoji on the top left. Head over to the settings on the top right corner, and if you scroll down under privacy control, you'll see the blocked users. Now if you go to the blocked users, you should see the list of blocked users, and if you unblock them and if you head back to your friends list, if I just go back to my friends list and if I search for them, they just disappear. They are not there anymore. Now the reason why that happens is that whenever you block someone on Snapchat, you actually unfriend them. So if you unfriend them, they will not really be on your friends list, and that is the reason they disappear. Now if you want to just add them back again, what you'll need to do is you'll need to head over to the search bar and then search for that very person. And after you search for that person, you can add them back again. So that is the only way you can actually fix this issue, guys. All you need to do is add them back as a friend again. And that is basically all for this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.